Y equals, put your function in. On your paper, do like I did before. Write zeros, set notation. Get ready to write all the zeros that could be there. On paper. Zoom 6. It's degree 5. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. That's fantastic. On these problems, we'll find things that will work this way. Now, before you write it down as a zero, you need to be sure. I can tell what it might be, but I want to make sure. Second trace, enter. Only one time you have to hit that. Does it look like negative 30 is a zero?
No.
How about negative 2?
That looks all right.
Yeah.
So negative 2. I don't know if it is yet, but now, is it?
Yes.
So write that down as one of your zeros, negative 2, comma. Maybe negative 1, everybody? Is it? Write it down as a zero. How about 0? Is 0 a zero?
Yeah.
Yeah. Write it down as a 0. How about 1?
Yeah.
Don't go too fast. Now, yes. And then how about 2?
Yeah.
Does everybody have 5 zeros written down?
Yes.
All right. When we have these problems, it'll either be an integer or something directly in between, like 1/2 or 2.5. I won't pick any other problems because it just get kind of ridiculous. Everybody understand that? So you could have a fraction as a 0, and then you can work it out. So I can't write them. So everybody list all those zeros, please. And then from there, go ahead and write down all your factors. So this is what I want it to look like. You use your calculator, you're going to list your zeros. Set of numbers, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. The special one up there is 0, correct?
Yes.
So what's x minus 0?
X.
Right. So I think it's a good idea to make, when you start writing your factored form, if you have a 0, put the x first, and then start listing. Okay. Let's stay together here. Graph it, degree 5. We're hoping to find 5 zeros. If we don't, we can't factor it completely, right? So I'm going to find problems that we can. List your zeros. From those zeros, you write down your factors. And now we need to prove we're right, correct? So don't cry, multiply. Leave your x out here. Let's go. Plus x plus 2x. And don't think it's going to take all day. It's a wonderful experience. Just little by little, keep writing. You should be multiplying right now. Over here, x squared minus 2x minus x plus 2. This should have been a plus 2, everybody. Questions so far? Okay, now you have this. Basically, you're going to take and multiply x squared by every term. You multiply 3x by every term. Then you multiply 2 by every term. Don't forget about your x out front. If you write really large, you might run off your paper. So take your time. Go ahead and do that. I like, once I use, I like marking it out. You don't have to. Now I'm on my 3x. There's that little by little song that can be helpful here. Before you multiply by your x, you should simplify at this point. Everybody agree so far? So then your final step, go ahead and multiply by the x. And if all went well, that would be what we start with. Is that good?
Yeah.
Song, little by little, the air clears. Little by little, I can breathe again. We'll turn this problem into sweet baby sweet, and you'll feel the joy and you'll learn to love math. Hmm? Oh, go ahead. Awesome. If you take your time and go little by little, the result will be sweet baby sweet. It'll be a plus sign in your life, and you'll learn to love math. Let it be good.